Welcome to Introduction to Python course with ExpertPy. This course will be part of several training tracks offered by ExpertPy, such as machine learning and artificial intelligence. My name is Veysel Kocaman and I currently work as a CTO and a head of artificial intelligence at Talent Envoy company. I have 15 years of experience in data science, machine learning, software engineering and operations research fields, and during this period, I worked for large governmental agencies and provided consulting services to several startups and businesses in US, Canada and European countries. I also worked as freelance data scientist and operations research analyst for 5 years. For the time being, I am a co-founder, CTO and head of artificial intelligence at Talent Envoy, an AI startup in Silicon Valley. I hold a BS degree in computer science and multiple MS degrees in operations research and leadership management from Penn State University. During this course, we will basically cover two main topics: Python in data science community and Python basics. We will at first talk a little bit about why Python programming language dominates data science community around the world and practical aspects of Python. Then we will cover all the Python basics, including the most popular interactive development environment, which is called Jupyter Notebook. Then we will learn Python syntax in detail and fundamental data structures and algorithms in Python that would help you practice data science problems in real world. Even though none of them is strictly required, just a basic understanding of programming languages and introduction level of data structures and algorithms will be helpful before taking this course. What you are going to get from this course can be summarized as follows. At first, why Python is so popular in data science community, and how to set up the development environment, which will be called Jupyter Notebook, and install the base packages for Python. Learning how to use Jupyter Notebook features, the basics of Python, including the syntax and the commonly used commands, and most importantly, how to write efficient and clear code, which we will call as a Pythonic way. Welcome aboard.